Don't miss this good buy opportunity. Hi, my fellow trader. It's your boy Adekunlefits. Today, what I'll be discussing or looking into is about this good buy opportunity. And I don't want you to miss this because nothing is perfect, but I think it's going to be a very great opportunity for us. So I won't like to take much of our time with this, but I would firstly like to go into higher time frame so we can see the history of what has happened in the past about how good move. So let's see. So if we look here, you will see that we have our strong low here. Pick of structure. So after this strong low, what does the market does? It goes up and came back for this liquidity. It takes out this liquidity and then use this whole order flow to buy. You see, although we can refine, this breaker block and everything, but I don't want to go into that. So let me just use this whole order flow without refining anything. You see, here is another strong low again. You understand? That's our new structure. The market came back to take this liquidity, use this breaker block here. But let me just accept that this breaker block, I can as well use this whole other flow, but let's just use it like that, you know, until it break this, on the norms. This will be our target. This will be our target. You understand? So, and again, if you look here, for anyone who understand single candle formation, you will understand that there is a strong low here. So market take this liquidity and came back to the strong low, and our target will be here. I believe we all understand how the market is working right now. You see? And if you see again, there is a strong low here, a bigger picture here. There is a bigger picture here, which this side will stand as our liquidity point for a bigger view. But if you look to the lower time frame here, you will see another opportunity that there is another minor strong low here. That's it. You have to be mindful of everything in this market because every single information matters. There is another minor strong low here. Maybe I should go to lower time frame so that you can see very well. But before I do that, do you see it came back to take this liquidity? It came for this liquidity and keep buying. So this is the minor strong that I drew now. You see it. So it came back for this liquidity. So and it's keep buying. Now this is the current market condition. We are buying. Market have run the first phase, the first range. Now the second range is preparing. What do I mean? I would love to go to a lower time frame so you can see the details. Very well. This is not details enough. Let's go to maybe 15 minutes. I think we should see everything clearly here. So here, after market have taken out this liquidity here, so we know that all we'll be looking for now is buy opportunity because we have we have seen our liquidity already. So this is strong low here. This is strong low here. For confirmation, for a very good trader, you can buy here because market have taken out this liquidity here. So this side, if you see all this side, all this place now, everything have been mitigated here. There is a whole lot of mitigation around this place. So do you see? This is the only available zone for strong glow, because you have to understand single candle formation as well. But without that, you can always go to lower time frame to see the details. But I understand that. That's why I'm just giving us directly. This is the only available zone to buy here. So, but if you are not good like that, you can just wait for better confirmation. You know, like this. After market have taken out this high, you understand? That means there's a rejection here. This will stand as our failure swing here. But I don't think we actually need that. Let me just stick with the strong glow, strong guy. So after that, market came back. This should be our liquidity point here. So our liquidity is here. We wait for market. Okay, I've seen that. Okay. Do you see? Market came back for this liquidity, and then we use this O place. Let me show you that. I can use this place like this as my point of interest to enter, but as a mindful trader, you can use all of this place, just to be on the safer side. But I know for me, this place is going to work. You see, and this is our target. That's the first range that markets have moved. So now, what should we be expecting? What should we be expecting? We should be expecting market to take out liquidity, this liquidity, and then where should our POI be? Our POI will be this place. There is a mitigation here already. Here, there is mitigation here. So I can just choose this zone as my point of interest. But because we don't know what markets will do, so I can just use this O place, because I know once markets break this low now, it stand as invalidation zone for me. So I would just love to stand like that. So I will use this O place as my point of interest. Even there is opportunity to sell here, but I won't go into that because that's not my motive. I'm here for buy setup. So whatever market we do, we should expect the market to do something like this. So we look for opportunity and then we buy. If that doesn't work, we can still look for another opportunity like this. Either of the two will work. And then we buy. So this is what we should be expecting now from gold. We should be expecting buy setup from gold, because if you are just taking random trade, anything can happen. Because even though from here, as for me, market can just keep going up. But for a patient trader, if you have the patience and wait till this zone, I believe once it touch that level and you see confirmation, because confirmation is very important. You don't just trade because you have a setup. You trade based on confirmation, based on your age. So confirmation is very important, and you should use some other conference that you have to check it out. But I think this is a very good zone for us to buy now. So let's see very well. So we should be waiting for good. All we are doing now is to wait for the buy. So for now, I think I'm good. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I have other stuff coming. Just believe a lot of information is coming here. So please try and subscribe to Adekunlefits. Thank you guys for watching to the end.